Hi there, my name is Rob Mather. I lead the team of aviation business specialists within the Aviation and Defense Business Unit at IFS. The two pieces of software, Line Planner and Fleet Planner, are part of a new portfolio of SaaS applications that we're developing in the cloud that are really intended to be point solutions that are geared towards specific individual users within the organization. So in the case of Line Planner, it's geared towards line planners within an airline. And the Fleet Planner is geared towards the heavy maintenance planners, those that are planning out on a longer time horizon. There's really several key value drivers for each of them. In the case of Line Planner, it's really about improving the planning efficiency for your organization, reducing the risk of execution, so any risks that you would have associated with the execution of your maintenance being mitigated, and then all about additionally maximizing the production throughput of your maintenance facilities. So really trying to maximize the utilization of your staff and the time available to you in your schedule. And then in the case of the Fleet Planner, we've got three different real value drivers for that particular application. So the first one is really about sort of saving time and effort for your planners, so making sure that all the information is available to them in one screen at one place. Everything that's important for them to look at is being highlighted towards them. Making sure that you have the ability to react to change that's coming to you in terms of changes to the requirements that you need to plan, in terms of what your available locations are, what your available vendors are, fleet retirements, anything that's changing throughout your broader organization. And then the last one is really about choosing the best plan for your organization. So taking multiple plans and comparing them side by side so that you can easily see which one is the best one for your organization based on the criteria that you've set up in the system. Line Planner was developed in partnership with LATAM, so it's actually been a really great partnership for us. From our perspective, LATAM brought to the table really a different way of looking at planning that we think is really forward thinking, really. And that's really about taking a fleet-wide approach to prioritization, and that would have been really hard to sort of get across conceptually without their input. Similarly to Line Planner, Fleet Planner has a launch customer that we've been working with. In this case, it's American Airlines. So they're our partner in terms of developing the software, but they have it in production for one of their fleets today and are gradually rolling that out over time. So they've been invaluable to us in terms of giving us immediate feedback, but of course we also have our broader customer group also contributing information or feedback as they're working through various playpens that they also have access to. It's a sort of a key concept is that these applications as part of the cloud are designed to be able to be standalone. So you don't even need to be running the core Maintenix. They're designed to be able to run on top of any maintenance information system and work inside of your existing IT landscape. So the idea is they're lightweight, they're easy to deploy. You can integrate them into your organization without the kind of disruption that you would have from bringing in a major engineering and maintenance system. The Fleet Planner is available right now. The Line Planner is available to early adopters right now and will be available for general release in Q3.